Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to each of you for our annual event, the Cancer Survivors Day. This year has been unique. We have been in a situation of COVID and cancer. Life is in a turmoil. Each one of us is missing meeting you, hugging you, laughing with you, and enjoying our special moment. सबके मन में एक ही चीज है, कैंसर सर्वाइवर पर इतनी शांति। पिछले सालों की चहल पहल कानों में गूंज रही है। मन एक सूनेपन से भरा है। पता नहीं यह सिलसिला कब तक चलेगा। एक खालीपन लेकर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, उम्मीदों को लेकर चल रहे हैं। सबने साथ दिया है खूब, जो कहा जैसा कहा करने को सब थे तैयार। फिर भी मन में निराशा और आशा का एक संगम है। एक औपचारिकता सी निभा रहे हैं ऐसा लगता है। आंखों में आंसू हैं, पर आशा है और हमने सोच लिया है कितना भी हो आंसू नीचे नहीं आएंगे। सकारात्मक विचारों को हृदय में रखकर एक बार फिर जीतेंगे। आशा है कोविड को भगा पाएंगे, कैंसर को हरा पाएंगे, जीत का जश्न मनाएंगे। अगले साल कैंसर सर्वाइवर दिवस पूरे उत्साह से मनाएंगे। उसी और साथ में बहुत बड़ी उम्मीद लाएंगे। Jyoti, our Chief Operating Officer, has been at the helm now for over a year. It has been a trying and challenging time for her, but she has managed it very well. The pandemic has given us the opportunity to know what a great leader we have in her. Somebody who can handle challenges, somebody who can work in adverse circumstances, somebody who can fill the work of 48 hours and 24 hours, and somebody who can take the team along with her. Thank you, Jyoti. And now over to you.
Thank you, Vandana ji, for being the force behind all of us. Let us push boundaries to make this world a better place, even in our own small ways. The pandemic has been a big teacher. Nothing can be taken for granted, and we need to be prepared for any adversities. Initially, though, for all of us, we took our time to figure out what and how to do things. We have all learned so much in the year gone by, and many of them, I must say, are the good things. Technology has been the biggest enabler in getting us all connected, personal or professional. The pandemic made us learn stop us if we are determined in our mission. How beautifully quoted by someone, there are some things we only learn in a storm. I am very pleased and glad to be on this platform of WeCare and welcome all of you for our 27th Cancer Survivors Day. 20 years of care, compassion, collaboration, commitment, and learning for those touched by cancer. We Care Foundation is a not for profit volunteer driven organization. We strive to spread awareness through message of hope and work collectively with our other patient organizations in bringing an impactful change. Once again, I welcome everyone and express my gratitude for all your support. And now I request our very own duo for the evening, Mr. Amit Kumar, who is joining in from Thane, and Mr. Avinash, who is joining us from Hyderabad, to take you through a very power packed and motivational evening. Mr. Amit Kumar and Mr. Avinash Agarwal.
Thank you, Vannaji and Jyoti. It's so nice to be here with all of you this year's very special We Care Day celebrations. I'm your host number 1, Amit Kumar, और जहां अमित है वहां उसका पार्टनर इन क्राइम जरूर होगा. Give it up for our host number 2, my co-host, brother, and as I said, partner in crime, Avi.
Hello everyone. We are here at yet another We Care Day celebration, and what's wonderful about this year's show, like Vandana ji and Jyoti said, is that in spite of all that have happened, all that has happened, all that we've been through, we are here together collectively. So jahan bhi aap ho, whether you're on mute, not mute, whatever it is, give yourself a round of applause and a round of applause for the lovely We Care family for this spirit that we have here.
Well, that's the spirit of We Care. When there's a challenge in front of us, we double up, team up, and come back stronger. That's one thing which will never ever change.
And in this year of ups and downs, there are some things that won't change, like the spirit of We Care, the courage, the optimism, and the passion with which we come together. And of course, another thing that won't change is your duo of dashing hosts for this evening, Amit and me.
Yes, like always, we are here before time, well rehearsed, and immaculately dressed for the screen.
Amit, you're again here without wearing. मैं कैसे बोलूं, मुझे शर्म आ रहा है. देखो, you know how shy I am. What it means is, अब स्क्रीन पर ही ध्यान रखना, जो दिखता है उतना ही दिखना चाहिए, समझे ना?
यार अभी तू इतना शर्माएगा तो कैसे चलेगा? I'm just saying that we are dressed for the occasion, we are dressed for the event, and we are also very very comfortable. अपन ने नीचे क्या पहना है, क्या नहीं पहना है, ये किसको क्या पता?
Thank you for that very unnecessary over explanation. If there is a 4-year-old who's watching us today, वो भी समझ गया होगा. So, like we're saying, some things won't change, but some things do change, and it makes me very sad now to just think of a few things that have changed.
मजा आ गया यार.
वंदना जी का मानना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
The day weekend days there, we look forward to it for the whole year. जैसा कि फ्री में बुफे है, and we go there hungry, and रिहर्सल के नाम पे हमको इतना खिलाते हैं, मतलब मुझे ससुराल याद आ जाता है, जमाई बाबू वाला ट्रीटमेंट. And Vandana ji is so sweet. She got food delivered to our house even today, और हम सुबह से उसे enjoy कर रहे हैं. So thank you for this, Vandana ji. Thank you for spoiling us silly every time.
This is for Vandana ji and team. मजा आ गया. मेरे घर वाले पहले तो परेशान हो गए कि ये किसने भेजा है, और they returned the parcel, but they had to finally call me and I convinced them नहीं, हमारे लिए ही है. And thank you so much. That was very very sweet of Vandana ji and the team. और वैसे भी एक बात बता, तू बहुत ज्यादा कर देता है, मैं इतना इमोशनल हो गया. वंदना जी, इसके ना 50 रुपए काट लो आप ओवर एक्टिंग करने के.
बस हो गया ना. एनीवे, चलो मैं भूखा ही शो कर लूंगा, पेट पे गीला कपड़ा बांध के, स्ट्रगलिंग आर्टिस्ट वाला फील आएगा.
अभी अपना तो ये चलता रहेगा यार. लेट्स नॉट गेट कैरिड अवे फ्रॉम द रीजन वी आर ऑल हियर. शो स्टार्ट करें क्या?
यस, बिल्कुल. तो मुझे वीजी का व्हाट्सएप भी आ रहा है, मुख्य होके भेज रहे. इस बार तो मुझे लगा वर्चुअल है तो वीजी का इतना असर नहीं रहेगा, बट व्हेन द फर्स्ट डे लॉग्ड इन ऑन जूम, 3 वीजी, शी इज देयर. 2 अकाउंट पे उनके फोटो है, तीसरे अकाउंट से शी लॉगिंग इन. मतलब मेरे तो नाइटमेयर्स पूरे हो गए. सो आई सेड पंगा नहीं लेना वीजी के साथ. सो लेट्स गेट रेडी विद आवर शो. आई होप यू गाइस आर ऑल नाइस एंड वार्म्ड अप and happy to see us like we are happy to see you all.
Absolutely. Thanks, Avi. As is customary, let us begin the evening's proceedings with the lighting of the lamp, symbolizing our passion, courage, and togetherness in the face of every adversity that comes our way.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम चले नेक रस्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे. हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे. बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदलेगी होना. हम चले नेक रस्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।